Nag-low carb po ako. Feeling ko may acid reflux. Ano ang pwedeng gawin? Is that something that existed before? Is that something na bago pa kayo nag-low carb, meron na kayong sintomas na ganyan? Kung yan po ay bago lamang nung nag-start kayo po mag-low carb, siguro what you can do is you ease your way to it. Ibig sabihin ng easing your way to it, wag ninyong bibiglain. Baka naman kakaaral nyo lang ng low carb, tapos bigla kayong keto agad kayo. Ano po? So sometimes it's really just a side effect. It could be just an electrolyte imbalance po, ano. So backtrack tayo ng konti. So say for example, you came from really high carb diet. Bigla nyo naisipan, ito, keto agad tayo. So less than 20 grams a day agad, right? Maybe it's a better idea for you to dahan-dahan. So ease your way into it. You start with liberal, you go down to moderate, and saka na po yung keto para maibsan ng konti yung side effects. Sa totoo lang, if you do low carb properly, you will notice na mag-improve ang inyong GERD symptoms. Ano yung mga reflux symptoms po natin? Nag-i-improve po yan mga kapatid, sa paglo-low carb po.